What's up? This is Ari. In this video, we will learn about qualifications and disqualification for appointment of auditor with active recall method. Active recall is a method for learning concepts by framing questions and answers out of it. Question number 1. Which section governs eligibility, qualification and disqualification of an auditor? Answer: Section 141 of Companies Act 2013. Second question: what is the eligibility of a person to be appointed as auditors? Answer is: first part. For an individual to be appointed as auditor, person needs to be a chartered accountant, that is a member of ICAI. Second part of the answer: for a firm or a limited liability partnership, majority of partners should be chartered accountant practicing in India, and any CA partner can act and sign on behalf of the firm. Third question: which subsection and rules govern non-eligibility of appointment of auditor? Section 141, subsection 3 and rule 10 of Companies Audit and Auditor Rules 2014. Who are disqualified to be appointed as auditor of company? First, a body corporate. Company cannot be appointed as auditor. Second, a person who is officer or employee of the company cannot be appointed as auditor. If a person is a business partner to officer or employee of the company, he is disqualified to be appointed as auditor. If a person is working in the business that is owned by officer or employee of the company, he is disqualified. Director or relative to the director cannot be appointed as auditor of the company. If a person is employed full time in any other place, is disqualified. Auditor holding appointment as auditor for 20 companies cannot accept any more new company. Companies such as one-person company, dormant company, small company and private limited company with paid up share capital less than 100 crores is not included in the calculation of 20 companies. If a person is convicted for fraud and period of 10 years is not over. Example: in 1st January 2021, person is convicted in court for fraud. This person cannot be appointed as auditor till 31st December 2030. The person is relative or partner of the firm cannot hold any shares or debentures in the company. Its subsidiary, its holding, its associate or subsidiary of its holding to be appointed as auditor. Exception to this rule is a relative can hold shares or debentures up to rupees 1 lakh of face value only in the company. Person is relative or partner of the firm as outstanding loan payable more than rupees 5 lakh to CSHAS. Next point: person is relative or partner of the firm has given guarantee for more than rupees 1 lakh to CSS to support a third party who is indebted to CS as. A person or firm cannot have business relation directly or indirectly with CS as. Exception to this rule is, first exception, services rendered under Chartered Accountant Act 1949 are exempted. Second exemption, transactions which are in arm's length and in ordinary course of business like hotels, hospitals, airlines and telecommunication. Note: remember this mnemonics. CS as: C for company, S for subsidiary, H for holding company, A for associate company, again S for subsidiary of its holding. Let us now study the concept of CS as. Let the company be Flipkart. The holding company of Flipkart is Walmart. Subsidiary of Flipkart is Myntra. Walmart Canada will be subsidiary of its holding. Last rule regarding disqualification. Any person is relative or partner of the firm rendering services specified under section 144 of Companies Act to company or its subsidiary or its holding is disqualified. The services mentioned in section 144 is: number 1, person doing accounting and bookkeeping in a company cannot be appointed as auditor to that company. 2, person who is part of internal audit of the company cannot be appointed as auditor of the company. 3, person who has designed and implemented financial information system for the company, that is, a system to record and maintain financial information of the company, cannot be appointed as auditor. Person who is providing actuarial service cannot be appointed as auditor. 5, person who is advising the company on investment and banking services cannot be appointed as auditor. 6, a person who renders outsourced financial services is disqualified to be appointed as auditor. 7, person who has management role in the company is also disqualified. Easy phrase to remember these services: AI designing an intelligent rendering management services. I repeat, AI designing an intelligent rendering management service. A for accounting and bookkeeping services. I for internal audit. Designing for designing and implement financial information system. A for actuarial service. Intelligent for investment banking and advisory service. Rendering for rendering outsourced financial service. Management service for management service. Let's learn who are relatives as defined under section 141. Member of same HUF are considered relatives. Father, mother, brother, sister and son along with step relation are considered relatives. Next in line relations are son's wife, daughter and daughter's husband, and last, spouse.